How to make your partner feel loved. We are wired for emotional connection, said Jasmine Morrill, LCSWC, a psychotherapist who specializes in working with couples in Rockville, ND. Love is our foremost and most basic need, from the cradle to the grave. We feel loved in a romantic relationship when we're truly seen, heard, and understood by our partner, Morrill said. We feel loved when our partner is consistently kind, thoughtful, and respectful toward us, said Christina Stainorth-Powell, FT, a psychotherapist who specializes in couples counseling in Santa Barbara, Calif. We feel loved when our partners are accessible, responsive, and emotionally engaged with us, Morrill said. In this video, psychotherapist Jonathan Sandberg defines accessibility as, I can find you, you are available to me, responsiveness as, when you approach me, I respond with emotional attentiveness, and engagement as, when you are accessible and sincerely try to respond to my needs, we connect. Below are ideas on how you can make your partner feel more loved and valued. Create rituals. Rituals help couples build their connection and remind partners how important they are to each other, Morrill said. For instance, consider how you say good morning to each other, greet each other on a daily basis, and come together in the evening, she said. Even something as simple as a hug can go a long way. 20-second hugs release the feel-good hormone dopamine and bonding hormone oxytocin and reduce cortisol levels, Morrill said. Evening rituals could be sharing a meal and catching up on the day, reading together, watching a TV show that you are both excited about, taking a bath together, setting time aside to be affectionate or intimate with each other. Be specific about your love. Autopilot I love you aren't the same as telling your partner why you love them, said Carrie Stainorth-Powell, the author of the book Cue Cards for Life. Thoughtful tips for better relationships. According to Stainorth-Powell, simply saying I love you out of habit can lose its meaning over time. Instead, expressing specific reasons for your love can deepen the emotional connection between partners. For example, each morning her husband makes a point to tell her, I'm happy to be awake and have another day with you. This statement not only conveys love, but also gratitude and a sense of joy for the time they spend together. It highlights a specific aspect of their relationship that he cherishes, making the expression more meaningful and heartfelt. Similarly, Stainorth-Powell often tells her husband, you're the best thing in my life. This personalized declaration goes beyond a simple, I love you, by emphasizing the significant impact he has on her happiness and well-being. Such expressions of love that focus on particular qualities or feelings can strengthen the bond between partners, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of each other. By taking the time to articulate why you love your partner, you can create a more intimate and emotionally fulfilling relationship, as Stainorth-Powell's insights suggest. Consider their preferences. Consideration goes a long way toward the longevity of any relationship, said Stainorth-Powell. The small, thoughtful gestures that show you care about your partner's preferences can significantly strengthen your bond. For example, Stainorth-Powell shared a personal anecdote about her and her husband. Her husband dislikes clutter around the house, preferring a neat and orderly environment. As an author, Stainorth-Powell naturally accumulates a lot of magazines, papers, and other materials. This could easily lead to cluttered surfaces throughout their home, creating a source of potential friction. However, understanding her husband's preference for tidiness, she consciously makes an effort to manage her workspace more efficiently. Instead of allowing her writing materials to scatter and pile up in various areas of their home, she limits the clutter to a small, organized pile on her desk. This simple act of consideration demonstrates her respect for her husband's desire for a clutter-free living space. It's a small adjustment for her, but it speaks volumes to her husband about her thoughtfulness and willingness to accommodate his needs. Such actions, Stainorth-Powell suggests, are crucial in nurturing the healthy and enduring relationship. They show your partner that you are attentive to their likes and dislikes, and that you are willing to make small sacrifices to ensure their happiness. These gestures of consideration build trust and mutual respect, essential components for any lasting relationship. Learn from your mistakes. Stainorth-Powell emphasizes the importance of breaking away from detrimental patterns that have previously caused issues. Continuously engaging in behaviors that harm one's partner conveys a lack of regard for their emotions and well-being. For instance, she illustrates a scenario where a wife habitually speaks on behalf of her husband, frequently finishing his sentences. This conduct leaves him feeling invalidated and unheard, as he rightfully desires to express himself independently. When he voices his discomfort, it becomes crucial in a healthy relationship for the wife to actively seize this behavior out of respect for his feelings. Stanworth Powell underscores that persisting in such actions signifies a deeper message, a blatant disregard for the partner's emotional state. In essence, by failing to adjust her behavior despite being aware of its negative impact, the wife communicates through her actions that her husband's feelings hold little significance to her. Therefore, the essence of nurturing a healthy relationship lies in recognizing and modifying behaviors that undermine mutual respect and emotional validation. This proactive approach not only fosters a more supportive and understanding connection, but also demonstrates a genuine commitment to prioritizing each other's emotional needs. Act loving even when you don't feel it. When you're having a bad day, feeling stressed, or dealing with any kind of distress, it's crucial to remember the importance of showing love and affection towards your partner. Despite the difficulties you may be experiencing, making a conscious effort to act lovingly can have a significant impact on your relationship. Stanworth Powell emphasizes that your partner will always remember how you make them feel, particularly during challenging times. This sentiment underscores the lasting impression our actions and emotions leave on those we care about. Expressing love doesn't require grand gestures. Simple acts of affection can be profoundly meaningful. Hugging your partner, sitting close to them, or holding their hand while watching TV are small, yet powerful ways to show your care and affection. These gestures communicate a sense of reassurance and connection, indicating that your current struggles are not a reflection of your feelings toward them. By demonstrating love in these small ways, you convey that your distress is unrelated to your partner. This helps prevent misunderstandings and reassures your partner that your bond remains strong despite external pressures. It's a way of saying, I may be going through a tough time, but my love and appreciation for you are unwavering. These actions are vital in nurturing and maintaining a healthy relationship. They foster an environment of mutual support and understanding, where both partners feel valued and secure. It's about making a deliberate choice to prioritize your partner's emotional well-being, even when you're not at your best. Ultimately, these small but significant gestures help build a reservoir of positive memories and feelings. Your partner will remember the comfort and love you provided, reinforcing the foundation of your relationship. In this way, acting lovingly, even in tough times, strengthens your bond and ensures that both partners feel cherished and respected. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.